a big Indian contingent which is going to represent the country. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 6 p.m. Prime. I am Ankit Tyagi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to more than 15 athletes. So, of course, we are hitting our show a little late. But today, the top focus on 6 p.m. Prime is going to be the cryptic tweet of Navjot Singh Sidhu. Well, a lot of people were speaking about that, Gandhi's have the top leadership of the Congress party has intervened, and there seems to be a possibility of truce. Has Navjot Singh Sidhu's tweet opened once again a lot of political speculation, permutation, combinations in the state of Punjab ahead of the elections, which is just about 7 months away? That is going to be our top focus.
Sidhu's super-fast political googly. After the Gandhis met him, Sidhu hails the Aam Aadmi Party. He posed with Priyanka but praises Kejriwal. Is Sidhu angling for an admission to the Aam Aadmi Party? Gandhigiri failed to silence Sidhu, opting for AAP after BJP and Congress fails. Sidhu is Punjab's slippery Sardar #1. Sidhu's Pehle Aap Googly. That's our top focus on the show.
So Navjot Singh Sidhu today, after meeting Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi just a few days back, broke his silence, and the silence was broken by a tweet that has sent the entire Congress party into a tizzy, and the Aam Aadmi Party once again has opened their doors as far as Navjot Singh Sidhu is concerned. He spoke about, praised the Aam Aadmi Party being the opposition party in Punjab. What is the message that Navjot Singh Sidhu is sending across with this cryptic tweet? All the hopes of some sort of a truce between Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu, a peace being brokered between them, has that been now shattered? Is it now hanging by a very thin thread? Take a look.
नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू ना काप के हैं ना टाप के हैं, अपने बाप के हैं.
Navjot Singh Sidhu, the man of the moment in Punjab politics, has bowled yet another googly. Well, actually a bunch of googlies. Starting with a cryptic tweet, Sidhu took an apparent dig at his own party, the Congress, expressing his admiration for the Aam Aadmi Party. Sidhu tweeted, "Our opposition AAP has always recognized my vision and work for Punjab, be it before 2017, sacrilege, drugs, farmers' issues, corruption and power crisis faced by the people of Punjab, raised by me." This tweet further fueled speculation that all isn't well in the Congress party. The feud between Sidhu and Chief Minister Amrinder Singh seems unresolved.
सिस्टम ने एक फटीला था मेरे ऑफिस के बाहर, मिनिस्टर फॉर रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी एंड पावर. मैं कहता सिस्टम, आई सेड नो, मैं कहता सिस्टम व्हिच हैज रिजेक्टेड ऑल माय प्रपोजल्स फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ पंजाब, आई विल रिजेक्ट दैट सिस्टम. आई सेड नो.
And the tweet dropped just a few days after Sidhu had a high-profile meeting with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra of the Congress. Sidhu's tweet in praise of AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal has also opened up the possibility of him joining the Aam Aadmi Party if the truce brokered by the Gandhis has failed to hold. Essentially, Sidhu's tweet is a signal to the Gandhi High Command that the volatile politician has options if push comes to shove. Sidhu didn't stop at praising AAP. He posted another cryptic tweet, however. Sidhu said that the opposition dares to question me, yet they cannot escape my pro-people agenda. This means they have resigned to their fate. A tweet that sounded like tempering of his earlier tweet and an attempt at a little bit of damage control, all in an effort to queer the political pitch over what his real intentions are. One thing is evident, Sidhu is keeping his options open. On the one hand, he's sending out a warning signal to the Congress High Command to get the truce implemented in his way. On the other hand, he's obviously keeping the Aam Aadmi Party also hopeful of admitting him. With Satyendra Chauhan in Chandigarh, Bureau Report, India Today.
What kind of reaction is the Congress party now trying to put up after Navjot Singh Sidhu's cryptic tweet? Let me go across straight to Chandigarh. My colleague Satindra Chauhan is joining us at this moment. Satindra, ये जो ट्वीट था कुछ दिनों की शांति के बाद, इस ट्वीट ने एक बार फिर से जो राजनीतिक गहमा गहमी है पंजाब में उसको फिर बढ़ा दिया है। एक तरफ लग रहा था कि शायद अब राहुल गांधी, प्रियंका गांधी के इंटरवेंशन के बाद कहीं ना कहीं कांग्रेस में चीजें सेटल होने वाली हैं। नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू ने एक बार फिर से कम राजनीतिक माहौल गरमा दिया है। रिएक्शन क्या है कांग्रेस पार्टी का?
अंकित, बिल्कुल ठीक कहा आपने। नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू, सुर्खियां और सस्पेंस, ये दोनों चीज़ें अक्सर बनाए रखते हैं, यानी कि बैलेंस बना रहता है। अब अगर कांग्रेस की बात करें, चूंकि कांग्रेस में दो धड़े हैं, एक तरफ नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू है तो दूसरी तरफ कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह का खेमा है। कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह जब आखिरी बार दिल्ली आए थे मुलाकात के लिए, तो उनसे साफ साफ कहा गया था कि आपको मीडिया में किसी तरह की कोई बयानबाजी नहीं करनी है, और तब से लेकर अब तक कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह और उनके समर्थक बिल्कुल साइलेंट हैं। और आज जब नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू के इस ट्वीट के बारे में पूछा गया तो इस पर भी किसी ने कोई रिएक्शन नहीं दिया। तो दूसरी तरफ नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू को लेकर आम आदमी पार्टी में भी कहीं ना कहीं उठापटक का एक दौर चल रहा है। जब भगवंत मान से पूछा गया कि नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू के इस ट्वीट को आप कैसे देखते हैं, तो भगवंत मान लड़खड़ा कर कहते हैं कि एक तरफ तो वो बात करते हैं, फिर कहते हैं कि दूसरी तरफ वो कैबिनेट भी चाहते हैं पंजाब में। दूसरे विधायक से जब पूछे गया तो उन्होंने कहा कि
आपको रोक रहा हूं, एक मिनट आपको रोक रहा हूं, क्योंकि हरीश रावत जो कमेटी बनाई गई थी कांग्रेस पार्टी द्वारा इस पूरे मामले को सुलझाने के लिए, वो अभी बात कर रहे हैं। सुनते हैं उनकी बात।
का क्या हित है? ये ट्वीट नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू अगर करते हैं तो फिर कैसे खुशखबरी आएगी? वो तो कह रहे हैं ऑपोजिशन आम आदमी पार्टी उनको ज्यादा बेहतर तरीके से समझती है।
देखिए, ये सोशल मीडिया में क्या आता है, कितना डिस्टॉर्शन होता है, कितना सही होता है, मैं कह नहीं सकता। लेकिन मैं वो बात जानता हूँ जो हमारे दोनों नेताओं ने हमारी लीडरशिप से कहा है। उन्होंने लीडरशिप से, अमरिंदर सिंह जी ने तो प्रेस में ही कहा कि जो कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट का निर्णय होगा वो मुझे मान्य होगा, और सिद्धू जी ने भी लीडरशिप से कहा कि जो आप लोग फैसला करेंगे वो मुझे मान्य होगा।
प्रशांत किशोर की भी क्यों मुलाकात की?
रावत सर, पीके क्यों मिलने आए? और the fact that you have to have Mr. Prashant Kishore to negotiate on behalf of Captain Amrinder for Punjab, isn't that a sorry state of affairs for the Punjab unit for Congress in particular? That today he is now talking on behalf of Captain Amrinder with Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and
राहुल जी एक नेशनल लीडर हैं, उनसे लोग कई तरीके के लोग मिलते हैं और अपनी बात करते हैं। वो भी कई अलग अलग लोगों से भी इनपुट लेते होंगे। उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि प्रशांत किशोर यहाँ आए तो वो पंजाब के विषय में नेगोशिएट करने के लिए आए या पंजाब के विषय में बात करने के लिए आए। पंजाब के विषय में जो भी बात करेगा लीडरशिप से, वो एक हरीश रावत नाम का व्यक्ति करेगा, जिस समय एज लॉन्ग एज आई एम जनरल सेक्रेटरी।
तो प्रशांत किशोर से पंजाब को लेकर कोई बातचीत नहीं हुई?
सर, पंजाब क्यों आए थे? सर, पीके क्यों आए थे? 2 घंटे मुलाकात चली और मीटिंग में कौन कौन थे? पीके की मीटिंग में कौन कौन थे?
आपने मुझसे इतना कठिन सवाल कर दिया, इसका उत्तर ढूंढना मुझको अपने 55 साल के राजनीतिक जीवन में बड़ा कठिन मालूम होता है। अब राहुल गांधी जी से वो नेशनल लीडर हैं इस समय, बल्कि ये कहूँ मैं कि एकमात्र ऐसे अपोजिशन के लीडर हैं जो गवर्नमेंट की आंखों में आंख डाल करके उनसे बात कर रहे हैं, जनता के सवालों को उठा रहे हैं। अब उनके पास बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं, कोई घंटा भी बैठता होगा, कोई आधा घंटा भी बैठता होगा।
क्योंकि सर पंजाब के क्राइसिस के
बात ये कह रहे सर कि पीके से पंजाब पर बात नहीं हुई। रावत सर, पीके से पंजाब पर बात नहीं हुई।
यदि पंजाब के विषय में कुछ बात हुई होती तो मुझको जरूर इन्वॉल्व।
रावत साहब, कैबिनेट रिशफल को लेकर कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह मीटिंग कर रहे हैं, मंत्री उनसे मिल रहे हैं, लगातार मीटिंग चल रही है कैबिनेट रिशफल को लेकर। आज कब तक हो जाएगा सर?
देखिए, उन्होंने कुछ बात की है, चीफ मिनिस्टर का जो अधिकार है, जो प्रेरोगेटिव है, उसको कोई नहीं ले सकता है। लेकिन जो भी प्रस्ताव आएगा वो हाईकमांड के पास आएगा। यदि कहीं कुछ ऐसा होगा।
नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू के प्रदेश अध्यक्ष हो सकते हैं कांग्रेस पार्टी एडजस्ट करने जा रही है, क्योंकि वो लगातार पार्टी के खिलाफ मोर्चा खोले हुए हैं।
अब मैंने पिछली बार भी आपसे कहा कि उन्होंने एक दिन 4 बातें कही। एक तो बरगाड़ी का इशू कहा, उस इशू पे हमारे, उनके और कैप्टन के सेंटिमेंट एक है। दूसरी बात, नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू ने जो है
ड्रग माफिया,
इस बात को कहा कि ड्रग माफियाज के खिलाफ एक्शन होना चाहिए। उसमें भी वी आर ऑन सेम वेवलेंथ। अब मुश्किल ये है कि सिद्धू का अपना अंदाजे बयां है, कुछ अपना तरीका है कहने का। अब उस तरीके को मैं मॉडिफाई करने के लिए सक्षम नहीं हूँ।
ठीक है,
रणनीति बनाएंगे।
रावत सर, क्या कैप्टन मुख्यमंत्री रहेंगे? आपका एक बयान राष्ट्रीय अखबार में छपा है, क्या कैप्टन ही मुख्यमंत्री रहेंगे?
मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि जो है कौन किससे सलाह ले रहा है, तो ये मेरी मैं कंसर्न नहीं हूँ। लेकिन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पर यदि उसका कोई असर पड़ता है, देन आई एम कंसर्न।
एक सवाल,
मुख्यमंत्री बहुतों से सलाह लेते हैं।
इस मीटिंग के बाद और जो भी फैसला लिया जाएगा, क्या नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू ने कहा एक्सेप्टेबल होगा?
दे आर इन द सेम पार्टी, एक ही पार्टी में हैं और दोनों एक ही पार्टी के नेता हैं। तो और हमारी कोशिश ये है कि दोनों साथ साथ जो है 2022 की चुनाव की लड़ाई लड़ें।
ठीक है,
कुछ दूसरी बार के लिए नहीं तो।
All right, that was Harish Rawat, the man who is part of the committee, 3-member committee, which was formed to try and sort out the differences between Navjot Singh Sidhu and Captain Amrinder Singh. Joining me now on the broadcast is Mr. Rashid Kidwai, senior journalist. Abab Singh Grewal, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, is also joining us this evening. First, let me apologize to you, gentlemen. It has been, one breaking news after another, so it has got delayed a little bit before I came to you. Rashid Saab, I wanted to come to you first and understand, how are you looking at this entire development? Navjot Singh Sidhu met the Gandhis. Captain Amrinder Singh was also called to meet. It is a very curious case, the way he has today put out this tweet. Is Navjot Singh Sidhu sending a direct message to the Gandhis to implement the truce formula, telling them that he has options open with the Aam Aadmi Party?
There are 2-3 things are there. He is using pressure tactics. There is no doubt about it. Actually, Sidhu is seen by the Gandhis as someone who's being kind of, wronged, who's not being handled properly. And Sidhu is trying to extract, full advantage of that. So there are certain things were to, certain concession were to be made towards him, towards his group, towards his followers, etc., which Captain Amrinder Singh has not done. As you know, there was a committee that Harish Rawat ji was also referring to. They had made some 18 points, and some of the points were there for Captain Amrinder Singh, Chief Minister of Punjab, to implement it. He has not done it. So Sidhu is using this opportunity. He can always turn around and say, yes, the promises have not been fulfilled. And yet he is not crossing that, Lakshman Rekha of party discipline. So it's a very tantalizingly, poised thing. I don't see Mr. Sidhu going away from Congress or joining Aam Aadmi Party. There would be some resolution to it. What's being talked about between PK and Rahul Gandhi, I think that's a much bigger, if you were to draw a think about chessboard.
Sir, I'll just come to that. I want to, talk about that in detail as well. But Mr. Grewal, what do you make of what Mr. Rashid Kidwai was saying? He says that though Sidhu right now might be sending across a message to the central leadership, with that tweet, Aam Aadmi Party seems to be a party which is being used by Navjot Singh Sidhu just to bolster his position. He may not, in fact, cross the line and come to the Aam Aadmi Party at this moment. The party, which is also desperate for a Sikh face, is just being taken for a ride by Navjot Singh Sidhu.
Mr. Tyagi, if Aam Aadmi Party is used to voice the problems of Punjab and bring them on a national level, we are happy to be used. Let me give you a bit of a context here. The tweets that Mr. Sidhu sent out were after Mr. Bhagwant Mann asked him that why is the captain government doing a quid pro quo with the power companies? Why is he favoring them? And if Mr. Sidhu, you are so vocal about Punjab's problems, why don't you just tweet and say this as well? You are saying exactly what we have been saying, that the mafias are running amok. And now it is but obvious that the power companies in power corporations in Punjab are being given undue benefit. And that's the context in which I guess Mr. Sidhu made his tweet or whatever. But as far as we are concerned, we are bothered only about Punjab. If us being used brings Punjab's problems to the forefront, if the national media discusses Punjab's problem, we are very happy with that. We are very happy being used if Punjab is brought to the fore.
But do you understand the problem in what you are saying, sir? Politically, do you understand the problem in what you are saying? You are saying you are happy to be used by Navjot Singh Sidhu. Eventually, if it does not come to the Congress party, the entire, as they say in politics, the mahal which is being created is around Navjot Singh Sidhu. The Aam Aadmi Party has nothing to gain from it. It is Navjot Singh Sidhu who is being spoken about, or the Aam Aadmi Party is being spoken about, just because Navjot Singh Sidhu has put out a tweet today.
What Mr. Tyagi is being spoken about is that the corruption in Punjab has reached such levels that even congressmen have started screaming from rooftops. The corruption in Punjab, it has reached this level. What the Aam Aadmi Party is insisting on is that we are hell-bent on exposing the nexus and the corruption which has ruined Punjab for the past so many years. So if Mr. Sidhu is doing that, he's playing with Punjab's future. What can we say about that? But we have a genuine grievance that Punjab is being abused, and we want that to stop and that to be exposed.
But Mr. Kidwai, as I was asking that question to Mr. Grewal, the fact is that Navjot Singh Sidhu, no matter how much influence he actually has on the ground, has become the central pivot around which the entire politics right now, or at least the run-up to the election, is being spoken about. Captain Amrinder Singh, who was the man who in fact took charge, who made sure that the Congress comes to power in Punjab, at this moment, a chief minister seems to be sidelined. I mean, he's being called one after another to the for one meeting after another to the central leadership in Delhi, and Navjot Singh Sidhu is being given importance by the Gandhis meeting him first. Then Captain Amrinder Singh. This does not send across a very good, confident message as far as the current leadership of the Congress party is concerned.
Yes, obviously this is one way of looking at it, but if you look at the other way, here is a man who's becoming a central piece, as you're also saying. And you see, he is just trying to erase that kind of anti-incumbency baggage that Captain Amrinder Singh, carries. Captain Amrinder Singh is 79. He is a present chief minister, but he's not a future chief minister of the Congress. I've been saying, and I've written it, there may be a situation what happened in Assam vis-a-vis BJP, that BJP had, Mr. Sonowal as chief minister, but after the elections, it became Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma became, chief minister of BJP.
Yes.
And that was a very smooth transition. So something like that, Congress is doing it. Congress is playing this game quite cleverly. They are trying to erase this anti-incumbency factor by pitching Sidhu as some kind of reformist. And I'm afraid Aam Aadmi Party is falling prey to it. As long as, if Sidhu doesn't come to Aam Aadmi Party will be forced to eat crows.
That's right. Sir, I request you both to stay on with me. Mr. Grewal, I'll just come back to you and give you a chance to respond to what Mr. Kidwai said. But as Mr. Ashik Kidwai was touching upon that, a very, very important development today in the national capital. Prashant Kishore, if I can call him now a former poll strategist, but somebody who is very closely watching and in fact been collaborating, meeting a lot of political leaders, today met Rahul Gandhi at his residence. Now, apart from Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Harish Rawat, KC Venugopal, all were present at this meeting, which lasted over 2 hours. And it was only after this meeting that you heard Mr. Harish Rawat come out and speak about it. Very, very interestingly, and Anand Patel, my colleague, is joining us right now. Very interestingly, in fact, Prashant Kishore, on paper, is principal advisor to Captain Amrinder Singh in the state of Punjab. Anand, what happened in this meeting? Mr. Rawat was not very forthcoming, very clever politician, old politician who knew how to, in fact, evade those questions. But what happened in this meeting? What are you learning from your sources? Because it is very, very important. in context of Punjab as well, and possibly in context of the 2024 elections?
Well, yes, Ankit, meeting lasted for more than a couple of hours, and Prashant Kishore was a surprise entry to today's meeting because the meeting was between Harish Rawat, who's the General Secretary in charge for Punjab, K.C. Venugopal, who's the General Secretary Organization, Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. So clearly, it is indicative here because the High Command wants to take a decision very soon. It's already very late. They had said that the decision would come by 8 to 10 July. It's already beyond that. So again, Harish Rawat is saying that it will take another 3 to 4 days. So clearly the Congress High Command is weighing all the options. It's a tightrope walk for them between Sidhu and Captain. But one thing is very sure, what we've been saying right since the beginning, that Captain Amrinder Singh will continue as the Chief Minister of Punjab. There is no question of him being replaced. Sidhu will be accommodated in the cabinet in the party. That is to be seen. We are being told that he might be the campaign committee chief because he cannot be the
is that truce formula? As Anand is saying that possibly a truce formula is there and Sidhu would be accommodated soon. But Mr. Grewal, you wanted to respond to what Mr. Kidwai was saying, that the Aam Aadmi Party is clearly walking into this whole the atmospherics being set by the Congress party. I just want to understand from you what is your reaction to this meeting of Prashant Kishore with the Gandhi family? Prashant Kishore is seen as somebody who is very, very close to Captain Amrinder Singh, was in fact his advisor in the 2017 election where you lost that battle to Prashant Kishore. Though Prashant Kishore has worked with the Aam Aadmi Party, what do you make of what is happening as far as this meeting is concerned?
Well, it's totally the internal matter of the Congress. And as far as Mr. Kishore is concerned, he asked Captain Amrinder Singh or guided him to make a few promises in Punjab before the 2017 elections. And unfortunately, not only have those promises been forgotten, Punjab has been flushed down the drain in the past 4.5 years. Even if Mr. Kidwai feels that the Congress is playing its cards very intelligently or they are using us, I would like to reiterate that here in Punjab, the people of Punjab for 4.5 years have suffered so badly under the Congress that no matter what kind of window dressing they do, what kind of a formula they work out, I am sure that the people of Punjab are not willing to forgive the Congress for the sins of omission and commission committed by them in the past 4.5 years.
But will the Aam Aadmi Party be the natural choice after, even let's just presume for argument's sake, somebody who is in the Congress right now goes to them right at the end, just before the election? Mr. Kidwai, in the end, this meeting of Prashant Kishore with, in fact, the Gandhis. Prashant Kishore, as I was earlier saying, very close to Captain Amrinder Singh, his principal advisor. Do you think that this possibly was the trigger for that tweet that Navjot Singh Sidhu put out? Possibly Prashant Kishore batting for Captain Amrinder Singh more strongly?
That may be the case, but I don't think so. In my assessment, Prashant Kishore is, and Rahul Gandhi are talking something entirely different, much beyond Punjab. PK is increasingly becoming a politician among politicians. He's been meeting politicians, anti-BJP or non-NDA constituents one by one. And Rahul Gandhi is a very important player. He's trying to, get this half and half together. Half means like non-NDA, non-Congress political parties, and other half being the Congress. So he thinks if the two sides come together and have some kind of strategy in place, so, Modi can be humbled in 2024. It may be a wishful thinking, but we need to watch out PK. I think, PK wants Congress to, retain BJP, retain Punjab. Not just because he's advisor to Punjab, but it helps in, kind of projecting opposition story much stronger.
Right. Thank you, Mr. Kidwai. Thank you, Mr. Grewal, for joining us on 6 p.m. Prime discussion this evening. The fact is, ladies and gentlemen, politics is now never as easy possibly on the whims or the wishes of political strategists or political leaders. Prashant Kishore might be wanting a lot of things, but what's happening, what is playing out right now in the run-up to the elections in Punjab with Navjot Singh Sidhu every single day, as Harish Rawat said, there is a way Andaze-Bayan as far as Navjot Singh Sidhu is concerned. That seems to be, at least at this moment, a big problem for the Congress party. And as the time window for the elections is closing down, they need to sort this out. very, very quickly, or the confusing message could cost them a government in the state of Punjab. With that, we are slipping into a very short break at this moment on the broadcast. On the other side, I'll shift focus to a very